Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Sopiguard custom-made skin install for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. All the information that you need to know about not just all of the other type of skins that you can choose from over at Sopiguard, but more on the custom-made skins. That information will be down below in the description area. It's a very, very simple process. When you hit the link, you go to the Sopiguard website. You want to look for custom print skins. And once you're there, you get to choose whether you want to have Sopiguard create a skin for your laptop, your smartphone, your tablet, or gaming device. You're going to upload a picture, a wallpaper, something that you want on the back of your S25 Edge. They're gonna create the magic and send that to you, and you get to enjoy that little bit of extra love, that extra sum for, again, laptop, smartphone, tablet, or a gaming device. But for me today, it's my S25 Edge. So without further ado, let's get into this very nice presentation. On the back, thank you for your purchase. Please visit sopiguard.com for installation guide. All right. Just over to the side here. You get the famous Sopiguard microcloth, which is very, very nice. I got many of these and they get used. So that is really, really cool. And you get an alcohol prep wipe to help clean off the back of your S25 Edge before applying the skin. Now you can use a blow dryer. I'm not going to use the blow dryer with this skin that we're going to apply to the back of my S25 Edge, just because it's a flat back. I'm not going to have top, bottom, and side strips. It's just going to be the back. And I got a case over here that's clear so we can see the skin itself. And the inside back of the case is going to press up against the skin while it's on my S25 Edge to help the sticking process, the adhering process. So using a blow dryer is not necessary, but if you choose to use the blow dryer, constantly move the heat around, never letting the heat sit in one area. That could damage the skin, but more importantly, damage your S25 Edge. So it's however you want to do a circular motion, back and forth, up and down, sideways. It doesn't matter. You just want to move that heat around. Okay? So today I'm not going to use that. The skin that I'm going to apply is this spaceman type of abstract art. Lately, I've been on a spaceman kick. I've been gathering a lot of wallpapers over at Pinterest, and that's where I found this one. And this is what we're going to put on my S25 Edge. You're going to have a little piece right here that's going to go around the camera areas there and flash. So again, no top, bottom, and side strips, just the back. That right there looks really, really bold. Okay, everything turned out great. Huge thumbs up to the skin itself that Sopiguard created for me and my S25 Edge. Man, that is beautiful. Wow. Solid. Tough. And now, I'll leave the information for this case down below in the description area as well, that I purchased over at Amazon. So, I do have the magnetic ring for MagSafe accessories here. I'm thinking I'm going to just get a clear one. I'm not a huge MagSafe accessory type of guy. Whatever. Now, the reason magnet for MagSafe is here on the channel is because a lot of you utilize those MagSafe accessories. For me personally, I just plug in and charge. So I can go without. But I mean, you can see right there that that looks really, really nice. And the skin itself is going to protect the hardware on the back of my S25 Edge as well. So that in itself is a thumbs up. Yeah, that is fresh. Again, you can use a blow dryer. That's your choice. Especially if you're not going to sport a skin. The blow dryer is something that you're going to want to use to make sure that that adhesive is really sticky and stays on the back of your S25 Edge. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Once again, all the information to purchase any skin from Sopiguard, that'll be down below in the description area, along with the link for the case as well. And with that, thanks for watching, everyone. Sopiguard, you killed it once again. You never fail. God bless. Peace and out.